Yes, guys, we are back once again, and we are back with basically a platform called it used to be called Cryptex, now it's called Bytnex. And what I want you to do is just sit back, get yourself a cup of tea, cup of coffee, water, whatever. Understand that basically, I know that they're having an update, and people are asking me what's going on, so I'm going to show you what's going on. So if you go, I always put under the description. Sorry, under this video, please go to the description and you'll find something like. Let me go and see what I've even. What? Let me have a look here. Let me have a look. Do. Let's see here. View. Okay. And what I wanted to understand is you can go and find all this information yourself, guys. So if I click onto one of my videos or you're watching this video, then click on it. Sorry, my internet is a little bit slow today. Sorry, guys. But if you go into my video, welcome back, guys. I do apologize. First of all, and you see here it says boards marketing tools. Okay, click on that. You come to here. It says here. This was 6 days ago. Maintenance. Cryptex. Well, Bytnex is under maintenance. Okay, and then they've got to read information here. Schedule maintenance. Super leader. We're writing for you to inform the scheduled service maintenance that will take place on the 12th of November to the 14th of November. During the maintenance window, our services will be temporarily unavailable. We are making these updates to improve data security for the DeFi contract update to avoid database failure. We appreciate your understanding and patience during this time. If you have any questions, then please contact them directly. Okay. Then, 4 days ago, this was on the back office. It says update by next maintenance. The notification is listed in the back office. Bytnex maintenance database wallet update from November the 15th to November 22nd, and we are currently on the November 19th. Urgently database adjustments which will be carried out to avoid errors. Your Bytnex wallet will be unavailable during this time. Okay, any information you can contact them. And then it says here, pass along to your team members. Okay, please be informed that will be performing urgent maintenance activity on our database. This was 4 days ago. To avoid database errors and booking DeFi 24 contract. Further updates are essential. While services maintain stable, their indicators may lead to unplanned service degradation and if not resolved promptly. Sorry. Sorry, guys, got a bit of a cold at the moment. During this time, your Binance wallet will be unavailable. Okay, so up to the expected availability on the 22nd, maintenance for 7 days. Okay, so just understand, guys, right? Any fudders and all these people saying, "Oh, it's gone again," just understand that they're just updating their database. Okay, and you can go to YouTube and type in whatever you want. You'll see loads of people talking about it. Um, yeah, it's really, really good. There's loads of Zoom calls and whatnot, and this and that and the other. It's really, really cool. Um, yeah, so have a look around, guys. There's lots of people talking about it. You know, people. You've got idiots like him. Where is he? I don't know. Idiots like him who just basically say everything's a scam. The whole world is a scam to him. So, yeah. Anyway, uh, this is really funny. Like, I always find that people just talk about crypto that it's everything's a scam. Look at Bitcoin. Remember when Bitcoin came out? People still calling it a scam. It's still, what's it worth now? About 90,000, whatever it is. It's gone down dramatically the last few days, I think. Let me have a look. It was down to like 90, yeah, 1991. So obviously the last 7 days it's dropped over 11%. Ethereum again at 10%. A lot of the big ones, XRP 10%. Well, good time to buy, really, isn't it? So you can make 10% on your money. If you've got 100,000, you put 100,000 in, you're gonna get an extra 10,000, whatever. It's not bad. $100, you get $10. Boom! If it goes back up for another 10%. But yeah, guys, really, honestly, just yeah, all the information I'm explaining comes from here. It's it's both marketing tools. That's from one of the leaders. I'm just basically following other leaders as well, guys. But I'm just giving you my journey and what I'm doing and whatnot. And you can all the information's here, guys. You can anything. You go and have a look all over the internet about this platform and where it's going. It's doing really well. There's lots of people involved who are talking about it. People are making some serious cash So yeah, on that note, guys, that's all I've got to say. As you know, I can't get onto the website right now because, as it says, it's still under maintenance. So I'm not worried. I just go to here, and then I can just go to wherever it is. It's yeah. Like I say, it's just it's updated. It's getting maintenance. So nothing we can do for now. All right, guys. Listen. On that note, take care. God bless you all, and I will see you on the next video.